I made lemons. They're a soft olive oil lemony cookie soaked in a basil limoncello syrup, rolled in sugar, and obviously filled with lemon curd. I was inspired by Italian peach wedding cookies, which I made for my daughter's first birthday 3 years ago, and have been thinking about how a lemon version would be so good ever since. Started off by making a zesty olive oil lemon cookie dough, popped it in the fridge because it needs about an hour. Then I made the syrup that they get dunked into. That way it has plenty of time to infuse and cool down. I added lots of lemon juice and lemon zest. Let's add some basil. Some basil as well. Basil was a last minute addition, but it made it so delicious. I added a touch of sweet and peppery flavor. I'm also gonna add some limoncello. You can leave this out if you prefer, but I do recommend it because it adds another dimension or layer of lemon, because we're just layering lemon throughout the whole cookie. Then I shaped the lemons, baked them, and you want to carve out the centers while they're still warm so that they don't crumble and break. Then I spooned in my favorite homemade lemon curd. You could use store-bought, it would work. It won't be as delicious, but it would still be pretty good. I'm just a homemade lemon curd purist. And then I dip them very briefly or else they will fall apart. I looked a little jaundiced for the next couple of days, so I really do recommend using gloves. And then I put them in a basket so it looks like I just picked them off an Italian lemon tree.